In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Delta Executor on your iOS device without the use of any sideloader, and it's quick and simple. The first thing that we have to do is just go to this website here. This is the official website, and the official download link will be on this website. I will leave the link for this in the description down below, and all you really have to do is scroll all the way down until you see Delta Direct Install. And there's also two types of Deltas. There's the premium version and the direct install free version. So for this video, I'm just showing you guys how to get the direct install version. So click on install here, click on install. And now if you go back to your home screen, you will see that it is installing here. Make sure that for this, you guys do have a strong internet connection, as sometimes for me, it has taken over 5 minutes downloading on weak internet. So just give it some time. And as you guys can see, it has been downloaded. If we click on the app here, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer. So what we have to do to trust the developer is go into settings, click on general, scroll down until you see VPN and device management, and then click on the untrusted certificate, and then just click on trust. This does require a restart, so I'll be back when I do restart. And now that I've restarted, as you guys can see, you can just click on the Delta Executor app and just give it some time. And as you guys can see, everything works and you can just log in. Everything will work just like it is intended to. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching.